All that I want in life is for someone to hold me close and tell me that they like pineapple on pizza. Girl, is your ass a cactus? Because it looks quite succulent. Cut my loaf into pieces. This is my last French toast.
Suffocation, no breathing.
Pineapple on pizza is awesome, and I will fight anyone who disagrees. Today is pancake day. Today is a damn good day. God knew it was time and shone a light on my throne this day. It's so sunny and warm out that I just want to cover myself in honey and have dogs lick it off. Got that Friday feeling, or it's the Chinese food from last night. Where is the toilet paper? It's never too late for coffee. It's never too late for coffee.
For real though, sometimes it is too late for coffee. Don't drink coffee if it's late at night because you'll be up all night. It's just a bad idea. Just don't do it, okay?
Dear diary, fuck yeah.
We about to get Shrek 2 up in this bitch. Up in this bitch. Up in this bitch.
I'm not wearing pants.
That's not a tweet. I'm not wearing pants right now.